Welcome back. It's another Christmas special. We are bashing these out.
We are.
What? Today we've got some special, very, very nice. These are limited, well not limited edition, I guess all mince pies are limited edition.
Oh yeah, yearly.
These are supermarket luxury shortbread mince pies.
Yeah, they look really nice. Thick pastry and oh, it looks lovely.
It does look really nice. Nice bit of sugar, nice bit of decoration
nice.
on the top.
I had snowflake, yeah.
Oh, snowflake? When I called you snowflake the other day, you said, "Oh, all right, darling," or whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so we dip in.
Let's go.
Oh, crunchy. Meat's nice.
Yeah, the pastry's a bit more got a crunch to it. Like very nice. Yeah.
What supermarket?
For these Waitrose.
Find out, shall we?
Let's find out.
Rate them first.
Oh, okay, yeah. Mincemeat's not quite as flavoursome as some of the others we've had. I think they're nice, so I'm going to give them a 7.
7. All right, let's find out where they're from.
What are you going to give them?
Yeah, 7's fair.
Yeah.
7's fair.
They're very nice, they're very pleasant, but I think the firmness of the pastries a little bit throws you off a little bit because it's not what you expect a normal mince pie to be.
It's because the pastry is gluten-free.
Oh, is it? Oh, Morrison's gluten-free mince pie.
From gluten-free mince pie, so did you expect that?
No, not at all. As I say, with those...
Do you want to try it again now?
You can tell they're not a normal mince pie.
Yeah.
With a normal mince pie, you can tell, you know exactly what you're getting, and I think that's what threw me with these, because the pastry is quite firm.
That's what I thought I had to say to you. They're sort of...
Yeah.
I think they're done on purpose. I've had gluten-free mince pies which aren't like that. They're sort of just more normal, and it must be easier to make.
Unlike one of our previous videos with the gluten-free cake slices, you can tell these aren't quite a normal mince pie.
It's almost like a biscuit.
Yeah, but...
Has it changed your opinion on your rating?
Well, no, because I don't rate it on flavour. You know, I wouldn't reduce a rating just because it's gluten.
Not racist.
No, exactly.
Do you like gluten-free stuff?
Thanks for watching and Merry Christmas. Sorry about the dog. Oh man, you're doing my nuts and you're normally chilled by now. Ah, so they were gluten-free. You see, the second you bit into those, there was something not
That's why
right.
I sort of said,
Yeah.
They are, aren't they? A bit short,
And you can tell.
Yeah.
But like I say, with the gluten-free Christmas slice, you would never ever know.
That's what I think.